Welcome back to You Heard It Here with Dr. Gary. This is Earwax Removal Vlog number 92. In today's episode, I'm going to be walking you through an earwax removal, 3 of them, that were performed by one of my doctors here in the office. With this first patient, you could see that there was a clear wall of yellowish wax down there. Once we used the curette at the upper portion of that earwax, you could see that it pushed through with no problem. The earwax was actually a quite thin film, and that film, even though it's not very thick, can actually cause some hearing difficulties. In this case, the patient was reporting muffled hearing. For our second patient, this time the wax is not completely occluding, and you can see as soon as we touch it, it folds very easily. This tells us that the wax is very thin, like a layer of skin growing out from the ear canal wall. By using the curette, we're able to easily pull the wax down and out of the ear canal, giving us a great view of that eardrum. Our third patient, you can see a very different coloration of the wax. This coloration indicates that the wax has been in there for much longer. If you like these wax removal videos, please take a moment to like and subscribe. It really does help to keep us motivated and putting out these wax removal videos. Our goal is education and entertainment. This is not medical advice. As we clean this earwax out, you can see it come out in a large chunk, and now when we look back down the ear canal, all we have to do is a little bit of cleanup along the sides of the ear canal as well as the floor of the ear canal. This has been You Heard It Here with Dr. Gary. You've been watching Earwax Removal Vlog number 92. We look forward to seeing you in the next video.